We offer production and publishing of augmented reality and virtual reality apps. We use our cloud-based solution to increase the efficiency. We can bring things down instead of having to get it approved through the App Store every time there's a small amendment. We can quite easily update it because it's managed on our servers. So we can bring content down every time somebody scans the content, as long as they've got an internet connection. So it's a new solution to a problem that has plagued us for a while, and it's working very well. We're based in York, in the UK. We've got founding members of the York Guild of Media Arts, and we've got a group of people we can call upon in the area, lots of local talent. So we can scale up and down as we need to deal with any kind of project that comes our way. People like it, obviously. They're very fond of it. The VR has taken over the AR because we used to specialise in augmented reality, but now we do more virtual reality than that than we used to, because it's easier to sell that, especially to marketing executives. It's easier to explain VR than it is augmented reality, because it's a little bit more nebulous. You have to explain it doesn't exist, but it exists on top of reality, and it's more than reality, and they go, I don't get it. So they have to see it, but with virtual reality, everybody already has an idea about how it works. So it's skyrocketing. At the moment, just for our demo purpose, we're using yeah, you can take some. The Zeiss is very good headset. Yes. We've also used other ones. For our purposes, it's irrelevant because we're trying to make it headset agnostic, so it'll work in any headset. Just as good as anything else. We don't need any extra peripherals. We try to make all the content, because we also develop the content. We make all that work as well.
Right. Our key focus is agility. We're very flexible. Because we're a relatively small team, we can adapt quite quickly. I would say that's the USP of our product, is that if somebody comes to us with a requirement that our product currently doesn't support, we can quite quickly incorporate that additional functionality into the core platform. Right. Typically, we work with digital agencies, so more on the marketing and advertising side, using the technology and on-pack promotions. More recently, we're talking to publishers, so they're very interested in keeping books relevant. One of the brilliant ways of keeping books relevant is to use augmented reality. So any reference title you open, you can have additional content, video, audio and images relevant to that page, triggered and available via the cloud. I think you have to be realistic. You have to be adaptable, but as soon as a new technology comes out, you can't jump onto that. You have to wait to see where the market is. You have to see when software and hardware is actually going to be commercially sensible. So it's great to be agile, it's great to be adaptable. If you go that too far, if you take that to its logical conclusion, you never finish anything, because there's always new hardware. With AR and VR right now, every day there's new announcements. So you have to be able to be sensible and see what there is on the market now, how commercially available is it, how big the market is for that hardware and software. Right. Primarily we use Unity because of its high quality 3D engine. It can provide great quality visualization. It's very quick to work in. We've tried some other solutions, but because this is cross-platform, it means that this year we're able to actually port our software to Windows so that we can better support enterprise, for example. We use 3D Studio Max.
Oh, cool.
Primarily. We've tried others. Again, we've tried Maya. I think Maya is a fantastic piece of software, but it's really for cinematic, it's for character creation. Whereas 3D Studio Max is more flexible. We found it can do anything from architectural work to more organic character building and the export pipeline and things like that. It's just more robust, it's more flexible, and it's what we've always used, and we haven't had a good reason to change.
Absolutely, I agree with you. SGD Smart Professional Certified, I agree with you.
Fantastic, we're on the same page there.
Thank you so much, guys.
No problem, thanks very much.